So yeah, I guess this is what they call the Pattaya blues. That weird heavy feeling you get when it's time to leave. The city's still waking up, the beach is quiet, bars are closed, and somehow it feels like the whole place is saying goodbye without actually saying it. It's crazy how fast time goes here. One night you're out laughing with people you just met, and the next morning you're staring out of a taxi window, trying to replay it all in your head. There's something about Pattaya, the mix of chaos and calm, the energy, the freedom. It kind of sticks to you. You tell yourself it's just another trip, but deep down you know it's more than that. And yeah, I'll probably be back, but for now, this is goodbye. So today we are checking out the Runway Market, but in daytime. Most people only see this place at night, all lit up with music and crowds, but daytime Pattaya has its own kind of magic. The first thing you notice is the calm. The streets ain't packed yet, windows are just opening up, and the sun hits everything in this warm, golden way that makes it feel slower, softer. You can actually take your time here, grab an iced coffee, wander between stalls, chat with the locals a bit. Everything and everyone is still relaxed, smiling, setting up, laughing. The big airplane in the middle looks completely different under the sun. At night it's all light and selfies, but in daylight it seems like a landmark, like a reminder that you're soon gonna be sitting one of those on your way home. Especially the last day, everything reminds you of that you're going home to your boring job just to earn enough money to come back. No more hello handsome car. No foot massage. And the food. Now we're on this food court. You can see all the delicious food. All of that away. Of course you'll be back. But the Pattaya blues is real. But lucky for you, I got your back, brother. Today I'm gonna show you how to ease your pain. And we are gonna make Prik nampla so that everything you eat at home will taste like Thailand.